Now we have to read about now half-life of radioactive substance. What is half-life? Lastly, we have read about simply radioactive decay law. Now, and we got an equation. What was that? N is equal to N naught e raised power minus lambda into t. Now we are having half-life. Half-life means during which this is the during which half of the during which half of the atoms of radioactive substance disintegrates. Disintegrates. So as we know, n is equal not, that means that is T is equal to T, where T is half-life. Half-life. Therefore, n is equal to n naught by 2. Once we are having half-life, half-life means half of the atoms have decayed and half have remained undecayed. So as n is the number of undecayed atoms, then those are n naught by 2. So replacing in this very equation, we will get n naught by 2. N naught by 2 is equal to n naught e raised power minus lambda into t. This n naught and n naught will leave. It is simply 1 by 2 is equal to e raised power minus lambda into t. Instead of this very t, we will place capital T because this is now half time. Capital T, half time. 1 by 2 is equal to this. Or you will see, which implies it is 1 by e raised power minus lambda into capital T is equal to simply 2 by cross multiplying. Or which implies it is 2 equals to e raised power minus lambda into t. Taking as this was in denominator minus, in numerator it will become as plus. Taking log on both sides, it will become as log of 2 to the base e equals to log of e raised power minus raised power plus lambda into t to the base e. So you can change this very log, it will be 2.303 times log of 2 to the base 10 equals to, this is log m raised power n, it will be lambda into t log of e to the base e, it is simply 1. So which implies we will be having lambda t, this is 1, lambda t equals to 2.303 into 0.3010 log 2 to the base 10, that's 0.3010, then simply t equals to 0.6931 over lambda. This is half. Thus half-life is inversely proportional to what? Half-life is inversely proportional to decay constant. Half-life is inversely proportional to decay constant. So initially we took the equation which we have read, n is equal to another decay equation. Now we have to read about the half-life. Half-life simply means during which half of the atoms have decayed and half of have remain undecayed. So instead of this is undecayed atoms, we will place, now we are having how much undecayed atoms? N naught by 2. This n naught and n naught will leave. It will be 1 by 2 is equal to e raised power minus lambda into t capital T, because t is the half-life. 1 over e raised power minus lambda 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal to e raised power plus lambda t. Taking log on both sides, and it will become as like this. And finally, this is the answer. This is all for today. Tomorrow will be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.